Alright guys, welcome back to the Nate vs. Everybody channel. Today is the day. As you can tell by the thumbnail, we're going to be making the Mustang look a lot nicer. Obviously, like I said in the last video, we got louvers for the car. Not only do we have side louvers for the car, but we also have rear louvers for the car. I actually bought the side louvers a long time ago, but I just couldn't put them on without getting the windows tinted, and then I also couldn't put them on without getting the back louvers too. So today what we're gonna do is obviously unbox the louvers, get them put on. I'm gonna show you guys the entire installation process, how to get it all ready, and then we're gonna take this thing out and see how it looks, man. But all right, let's get into it. All right, we're gonna start with the unboxing of the side louvers. I actually could help myself. I already opened the box up, but when you open the box, you actually get side louvers wrapped in like all the styrofoam stuff. And when you get those, you get these 3M tape that comes with it. You get the instructions, so I'll show you guys how that looks in just a second. Oh my god, man, I'm so excited for these. I think rear louvers are the way to go for any S550 Mustang. I mean, honestly, any Mustang. I don't care what year I get. It could be a 70 Mustang. I'd still put louvers on it. It's a badass. So you got a little baggie with all the hardware. We got all the hardware, all the little 3M little stickers that are necessary for it. Looks like it's got some footer on there. And we'll get this open in just a second. Now let's open the actual box. Take a look at them. This is actually my first time taking a look at them in person, so it's gonna be dope. Oh my god. Oh my god, these look so sick. Not only do we have those, but we got the M&P Concepts side louvers as well for the quarter windows. I think these just look sick, so I went the same style. Obviously they match, and we're gonna get them all put on today so the Mustang can look a lot better. I think it's gonna look mint. All right guys, so this is everything all lined up. Kind of wanted to go through these little bags that it actually came with. So obviously we have the M&P Concepts bag. Now this is all the hardware that goes for the rear set of louvers. Hardware for, it's not really hardware, but it's just 3M tape for the side louvers. Comes in that baggie. Not gonna open that one just yet. We're gonna start on the rear louvers first. These are these little sponges that actually go in between each slat to make sure, obviously, they don't rattle and that they don't hit like your window at high speed, stuff like that. So we'll make sure we get those in. And then these are just the little slats that you put on the window with 3M tape that actually drill into each of the holes of the rear louvers. And obviously you got the pre-cut 3M tape, double-sided sticky tape for that we're going to put right on the window. And then I believe this is actually like an adhesive promoter, so we will put this on, I think, if we need. I'm gonna look more in the instructions to see how necessary this is, but I absolutely want to make sure that I, make sure this thing sticks. So when we're doing like 100 racing, this thing doesn't come flying off, because that would be embarrassing. But first things first, what we got to do with this is we got to go ahead and get this thing clean, because this window is actually kind of dirty if you look at it. So we're gonna go ahead and get it clean. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe it down, then hit it with some alcohol, and then we'll start getting everything all prepped and ready to go. So first we're going to hit it with some rubbing alcohol. Obviously this is going to make sure that the surface is actually really clear. So just going to use paper towel and rub alcohol if I need. I'm going to use soap and water, but after you use soap and water, if you guys are doing this at home, you still want to make sure that you go after the soap and water. If it's really dirty, you still want to hit it with alcohol, so that way the 3M tape, all the adhesive, gets the perfect stick to the glass. So let's go ahead and get started on that. Now since this is all clean, obviously looking a lot better when that alcohol hits to it, now we're going to start working on these little tabs here. getting the adhesive tape all on the tabs, and then getting them screwed into every little hole that we have here. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these all pulled out, and I'll show you guys when I'm done. Alright, now we got them all set on there, all the 3M and the little brackets all set in place and screwed in. So now what we're going to go ahead and do, it took me like 5 minutes to do that, so this got a little dusty again. I'm going to go ahead and hit it with the alcohol one more time just to be sure everything sticks and there's no like sticky tape coming up. So we're going to go ahead and do that one more time, and oh my god, boys. And oh my god, guys, look at that. That looks freaking insane. Oh my god, Louvers just, oh my god, they just make Mustangs look so damn good. And we're not done just yet. They are set in place, but we got to put those like foam slats in here so that way, you know, these don't jiggle when I'm doing like 120 on a freeway in Mexico somewhere. But oh my god, this thing looks amazing. Now I did go with the matte black. They had the gloss black option, but honestly I didn't really think that looked that good, especially since I have a gloss black car. This actually matches, you know, with the side louvers and the side skirts and all that stuff. That stuff's all, you know, matte black for now, hint hint. But man, that just looks sick, man. That looks so sick. So what we're gonna do next is we're gonna go ahead and put those little soft things in there, and then we're gonna get started on the side louvers that are gonna go right here on the quarter window, and we'll be done. Now look at that, now it's all done. This is all set. We got it, you know, fully mounted on the car, and you can see we got those little soft things in there to keep it from actually rattling or anything like that. So we got those in there, and now we're gonna go ahead and get started on the side louvers that are gonna go on the quarter window. Oh my god, just look at that side profile. That just looks insane. That's ridiculous. Can't wait to have the side louvers on, and man, it's just gonna really tie this thing together. Oh my god. All right, so let's go ahead and get on these. So what we're gonna do, I'm pretty sure, so on the back of these, we're basically gonna run this 3M tape practically all around the rim of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on doing that, and catch you guys in a couple minutes. Alright, so we just got the quarter windows all taped up, and the windows are all clean. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and get the tape off and go ahead and get those put on. So this 3M tape did not work. I'm not sure what happened. I mean, I cleaned this off perfectly. This is pretty clean. This shit's not even, look at that, it's not even sticking on. It's just fucking pulling right off. I don't fucking know. I'm gonna get this figured out, but as of right now, I have to make shift some more 3M tape for this to see if this will stick. Alright, so I had to make my own 3M tape. I had to just cut it and make it work. Hopefully this sticks better than what came in the box. Let's go ahead and give it a shot. And already, I can tell you, I don't hear it like separating from the glass. It's so much better than that other shit that came with it. I don't know what happened, but it just was not working. So I'm a little concerned for the other side because I'm still using it. I'm gonna go ahead and try it since I've already got it in there. If it doesn't work, then I'm just gonna do the same thing I did with this side to that side to make sure that it stays on. The other one was just, I could tell like if I drove it, it would fly off, and I didn't want that. So hopefully we don't have that on this side, so it'll save me some time. But if it does like that, I'll just go ahead and take the time to cut them and make sure it's straight. So let's go ahead and get started on the other side. I'll be right back. So I ended up having to do the exact same thing on this side like I did to the other side because of course the shit didn't stick. So we're gonna go ahead and get these 3M backs off and get it set on there so that way we can get this thing looking good. And she's all done. Oh my god. Oh my god, this thing is freaking crazy. Just one step closer to exactly what I imagined for this car, man. It's just, it is so sick. I want to show you guys what it looks like on the inside. I haven't even seen what it looks like on the inside. Oh man, that just looks sick. Oh my god, that's so cool. Oh man, I'm excited. I'm ecstatic, dude. It looks, I can't believe this is my car. This is crazy. This is crazy. This is nuts, man. It looks so good. It looks so good, man. Oh, man. Well, yeah, tell me what you guys think in the comments below. I think she looks absolutely amazing. Again, this is the MP Concepts rear louvers and the quarter window louvers. I got both of these from AmericanMuscle.com. I actually caught the quarter window louvers on sale. Those are like 50 bucks. These louvers are like $250. Not super expensive at all, but they look absolutely amazing. I think if you want to make your Mustang look good, this is exactly what you need to go ahead and get it done. I mean, this literally just changes the entire car. I mean, look at it from the side. Oh my god, it just looks so aggressive, man. It just looks so freaking aggressive. So once again, that's gonna be wrapping up the video. Thank you guys again for tuning in and watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and again, tell me what you guys want to see more. Obviously we got way more toys to mess with. We got the R6, we got the Harley-Davidson. That's not my three-wheeler, but you guys have seen it on the channel already. It's still here. And then this is actually my daily, guys. Right now she's down. I actually have not driven her like in probably 2 or 3 months. But typically I have rims on it and it looks pretty clean. I drive it every day. You guys probably don't want to see anything with the Milan, but I have it. And then our other daily, my girl really drives this car, but we have the Edge ST up here as well. I haven't actually even showed you guys this on the channel at all, but I can go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. So obviously this one's all blacked out. The Edge ST, all black edition. It's got the massive sunroof in it. This thing's cool. I mean, it's, you know, it's alright. It's got 350 ponies though, so not bad, not too bad. But oh my god, I just can't get over. I just can't get over the Mustang. So I'm gonna start this thing up and take it out for a ride. And yeah, thanks again, guys. See you later.